Christian Mulo from 4 Pound, and I'm going to discuss to you solving right triangle trigonometry. To solve a triangle means to know all three sides and all three angles. When we know the ratios of the sides, we use the method of similar figures. That is the method to use when solving an isosceles right triangle, or a 30-60-90 degrees triangle. When we do not know the ratio numbers, then we must use the table of ratios. The following sample illustrate. Example. Sample number 1. The given side is A and C. A is equal to 5 and C is equals to 13. We're going to find for B. Find B, we're going to use Pythagorean formula. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. We're going to find for B. So, we need to substitute. Oh, the transpose! First step to find B, substitute the given. C is equals to 13 and A is equals to 5. 13 squared is equal to 169. 5 squared is equals to 25. Subtract and you are going to subtract it and you will get 144. But B squared is not already simplified. So we're going to square it. Our answer is 12. We're going to find for the sixth trigonometric function. Sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Our opposite here is 5. Substitute. Hypotenuse is 13. Cosine theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Here, 12. And our hypotenuse is 13. Tangent theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. And our opposite side is 5. And our adjacent side is 12. Inverse. To find cosecant theta, you only need to inverse the sine theta. To find cosecant theta, you need to inverse cosine theta. Find cotangent theta, you need to inverse tangent theta. That's all. I hope you learned something.